In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up Mailbox in Microsoft Outlook. We're going to start by figuring out exactly what's taking up space in your mailbox, because knowing where the bulk of your data lives makes cleanup faster and smarter. We won't delete anything in this walkthrough. We're just identifying the biggest space hogs so you can make informed decisions afterward. Begin in Outlook on your Windows desktop. Look to the very top left and click the File tab to open the Backstage view. On the Info page, you'll see account details and tools related to storage and maintenance. Here, find the Tools option and choose Mailbox Cleanup. This opens a small utility that focuses on space management. Within that window, select View Mailbox Size. A folder size dialog will appear, and this is the key. It lists every folder in your mailbox along with how much space each one uses. The total at the top shows your overall mailbox size, and each folder entry shows its contribution to that total. Depending on your setup, you might see separate readings for local data and server data, which is helpful if your mailbox is cached on your computer. Either way, you now have a clear map of where your storage is going. Take a moment to scan through the list and note the heaviest folders. In most cases, the inbox, sent items, and deleted items grow the fastest, especially if they hold lots of messages with large attachments. Subfolders count toward their parents, so a big project folder inside your inbox will inflate the inbox's total. You may also see folders like drafts, archive, junk email, conversation history, or RSS feeds. Even if you rarely open them, they can quietly accumulate items over time. If you use an Exchange or Microsoft 365 account, the size you see here relates to your server quota, which can affect whether new mail arrives. If you work with a personal data file,